Presenting the Motorola Moto G51 5G. It comes in color options of indigo blue. The phone has display of 17.27 cm, 6.8 inch. The phone also has full HD Plus display. It has 50MP plus 8MP plus 2MP 13MP front camera. It comes with 5000 mAh lithium polymer battery. It has 64GB ROM and 4GB RAM. It is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 Pro processor. It also features supported networks 5G, 4G LTE and WCDMA. GSM, secondary camera 13MP front camera and GPS type GPS. The delivery box contains handset, charger and USB cables. Guides and SIM tool. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.